He's all clear. Open the gate.
Yes, sir.
You dummy, you forgot to turn the lights on.
Right, sorry. I got distracted. Here, let me turn them on for you.
Follow me. Okay, I gotta ask, is your favorite color purple? Do they pay you to talk to me?
No. No, they don't. Yeah.
Huh? Hey, Switchfoot, we got a visitor. It's Switchblade. Yeah, whatever. Take a seat, kid. One request. Don't call me kid. Alright, young person. Listen closely. I have in my possession the Shield of Space. With it, you can conjure any weapon from across the multiverse. Just think of a weapon, and it's yours. It will help you escape this prison, but I know you also want to escape this universe. To do that, you will need the Shield of Space and the Shield of Time. But, lucky for you, the Shield of Time is in this universe. It's in a top-secret vault known as the Warehouse. With both shields, you can travel anywhere you want in the multiverse. What's in it for you? Absolutely nothing. It's yours. Hey, you can't be giving him unauthorized items. My cover's been blown. See you soon. See you soon? Wait, what does that mean? Ah! Switchfoot, put the weapon down. I told you. It's Switchblade. escaped. And he's probably after the Shield of Time now. Militarized units, guard the vault at the warehouse. Police units, chase him through the suburbs. Alright, come on, let's go. Go. Alright, I'll check it. Alright, the coast is clear. Hey, it's kind of dark in here. Let me turn on the light. Good idea. Hey, what's that in the corner? Whoa, it's him. Hey, yeah. Come back here. Oh no. Yeah. By the way, you left your pistol back there, so Jerry here's gonna bring it for you.
Thank you.
Alright, men. Let's get to the warehouse before he does. Whoa. Hey! The warehouse. That's not suspicious or anything. It needs a passkey. Well, the passkey is my fist!
Access granted.
Wow, I didn't actually think that would work. Wait a minute. Wait, I've got an idea. So, do we know what that weird cube thing is? I don't know. Whoa, what's that sound? Finally, I can go home.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Oh. Oh, that hurt. This isn't my universe. Where is this place? Whoa. Magic opening doors. That's not creepy or anything. Wow. This place is amazing. Huh? This is wild. You, a creature unique to one single universe. It's a little unnatural. But wow. Wild. You again? Who are you? I've been dubbed many names by many people. A conqueror, a ruler, he who remains, a jerk. But it's not as simple as a name. Eons ago, a variant of myself lived on... Whoa! Swing and a miss. How did you dodge that? I know it all, and I've seen it all. In fact, every step you took that led you here, starting with me giving you the shield of space in your prison cell, I paved the road. You just walked down it. What do you have to say? And can you make it brief, okay? Okay, fine. I can be brief. I rule over the sacred timeline, keeping all variant time and space travelers in check, to prevent my own variants from destroying reality as we know it in a cataclysmic event known as the Multiversal War. Okay, so where do I come into play then? 2 variants of Loki are headed here as we speak. I want to pass the baton to them, but I have a strong feeling that there will be some complications. Complications? My death. You see, to most, I am a ruthless dictator who kills anyone who stands in my way of keeping the sacred timeline, well, sacred. You may hate the dictator, but something far worse is going to fill that void if you dispose of him. Without me, without strict, merciless order throughout the multiverse, everything burns. So, you want me to stop these Loki variants if they try to kill you? Not quite. If they kill me, then they are not fit for this kind of responsibility. You, however, with your knowledge of and experience in multiversal travel, you seem like a good candidate for this position. If their intent is murder, so be it. I do not wish to be saved. But why would you just give up all this authority and power and control? I'm tired. And I'm older. I'm older than I look. This game is for the young, the hungry. And what if I don't want to play this game? What if I'd rather go home? Your universe reached an incursion while you were away. It's gone. Forever. You're serious about that? Unfortunately, I am. And you can't go back to the universe you were just in, since you're now a wanted fugitive there. Soon, other universes will be alerted of your criminal status as well. To them, you're a villain. We're both villains. We've both done horrible, terrible, horrific things. But now you, have a chance to do them for a good reason. So, you can either return to a universe of your liking and be hunted to death, or you could live here for eternity, enforcing balance across space and time. So, what will it be, Switchblade? Huh. Alright. When are those Loki variants arriving? I knew you'd say yes.